Hey guys, got another unboxing for you today. I've been holding on to this one for a while. As you can see, it's the Xbox Replica mini fridge. It's pretty much just a cooler, not a fridge. I got this on the 25th of March. It's now April 1st. I figure why not unbox this on April Fool's Day, since it's kind of a joke to have a refrigerator or a cooler that's designed as an Xbox. And I also wanted to open it to see if I have the Eco one. So let's get right into it. Here's the side. Here's the other side. That side. Some styrofoam, a manual, and then I'll set this on the floor. Okay, well that came out. That's a different way. There we go. Alrighty. Oh, good. As you can see, it has the Eco mode, and it's already set to that, off, max. So I'm pretty happy with that. I probably won't actually use it. I will just have it displayed for now. And I figure it's what's better time to have open this or do this, since I also got me my Xbox Series X about a week ago today. So, and then you open it, and then you got all your cords, and it looks like they decided to put them all together. Yep, they're all together. I've seen it where they're both separate, but I guess now they're deciding to just put it all together in one package. Convenient. And there you go. Wow. It's actually small, which is expected. I don't know, but watching other people do videos on it, but this seems bigger. So. Okay, that's not too bad. People were saying how finicky these buttons were. Alright guys, well that'll do it for this unboxing. Again, this is the Xbox cooler refrigerator. And like, dislike, comment, and subscribe. And I will get to you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.